Welcome to Afrekete Work from Home Jobs, your trusted portal for legitimate and lucrative work from home opportunities. We offer in-depth video guides on home-based work streams, like today's focus, Start Earning Today, an absolute beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. This tutorial simplifies the complex realm of affiliate marketing, where you earn commission by promoting products. It's a path to financial freedom and flexibility, devoid of traditional job constraints. We provide the knowledge, you seize the day. Today's video, Start Earning Today, an absolute beginner's guide to affiliate marketing, dives deep into the world of affiliate marketing, a promising avenue for those seeking financial freedom and flexible work hours. What is affiliate marketing, you ask? Picture this. You're a bridge builder connecting customers to products. You have customer John seeking a graphic design book, and a company struggling to reach him. Enter you. You promote the book. When John buys it through your link, you earn a commission. This isn't restricted to books. From beauty products to furniture, sale from your link gets you a commission. This is affiliate marketing. Today, in our digital age, making money has never been easier. Selecting the appropriate affiliate program is of paramount importance, akin to choosing the right dance partner. Imagine a dance floor teeming with potential partners, each with their rhythms. You seek someone who matches your dance style and rhythm, someone who anticipates your moves. This person not only complements your dance, but also shares your vision. Like in dance, the affiliate program you choose should resonate with your brand and audience. The significance of the partner in your dance is just like the importance of choosing the right affiliate program. Choose wisely. Now let's explore the digital terrain and navigate towards a vital cog in the mechanism of online presence, SEO. This is your content's compass, directing it towards your intended audience. But before we delve into the depths of SEO, let's take a quick detour to the location and significance of affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is a performance-driven marketing model where individuals earn commissions by endorsing a company's products or services. As an affiliate, you cherry-pick products that you resonate with, advertise them on your platforms, and earn a commission for each sale or specific action accomplished through your referral. Affiliate marketing has its perks. It offers potential passive income, has minimal startup costs, and offers flexibility. You can discover affiliate marketing programs through affiliate networks like Commission Junction, Share a Sale, and ClickBank, which act as bridges between affiliates and multiple advertisers. Numerous companies also offer their own affiliate programs directly on their websites. Large e-commerce sites like Amazon have their own affiliate programs, offering a wide spectrum of products to choose from, making them an excellent launchpad. To embark on your journey with affiliate programs, scrutinize each program's earning potential, payment structure, and product quality. Apply to the programs, which usually involves completing an application and waiting for acceptance. Once approved, use your unique affiliate links to endorse products effectively through your content. Now, returning to SEO. Incorporating pertinent keywords, meta tags, and backlinks into your content elevates its ranking on search engine results, making it easier for your audience to find you. Social media, the modern marketplace. It's where ideas, products, and services are shared globally. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest each offer unique ways to engage with your audience. The power of social media lies not just in promoting your content, but in fostering communication and connections. Start conversations, respond to comments, and share user-generated content. It's all about building a community and fostering brand loyalty. Make connections because at the end of the day, that's what social media is all about. While treading the path of affiliate marketing, beware of common pitfalls. One such pitfall is spreading oneself too thin, promoting too many products, and losing focus. Also, compromising content quality for quick gains can undermine trust. In an increasingly digital world, consumers seek authentic, valuable content. Quality over quantity is key to attracting and retaining customers. Never let hasty decisions lead you astray. Stick to the basics of affiliate marketing, maintain your focus, and uphold the quality of your content. Never compromise on your content for quick bucks. Ethical practices form the backbone of successful affiliate marketing. It's a pillar that supports every prosperous marketing strategy. Transparency about your affiliations is a measure of respect for your audience. It means being honest about your relationships with the companies you're promoting. This transparency builds trust with your audience. Respecting your audience's privacy is another key component. It includes not selling or sharing their information without consent. Lastly, always provide genuine recommendations. Stand behind your recommendations and your audience will stand behind you. To understand better, let's dive into some detailed analysis. We've picked compelling case studies of individuals who turned dreams into success in affiliate marketing. They started from scratch, persevered, and adapted to changes. They leveraged the internet, social media, and SEO. They maximized available tools and built their brands. Their stories underscore the importance of determination, learning, and evolving. These are real people, just like you, who have carved a niche for themselves in the world of affiliate marketing. Finally, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This isn't just a proverb, but a beacon of hope in affiliate marketing. You're at the starting line, feeling the nervousness. This step is the beginning of a life-changing expedition into an ever-evolving world. You'll navigate through a changing landscape, overcome obstacles, and learn new things. You'll create your own path and write your own success story. So, are you ready to explore a world filled with opportunities? Remember, at Afrekete Work from Home Jobs, we're perpetually seeking dynamic individuals. Our diverse team welcomes new faces for innovative ideas and fresh perspectives. We're a nurturing family that supports each other's goals. We offer a multitude of opportunities for various skill sets. We encourage growth, inspire creativity, and reward hard work. Afrekete provides learning resources and training to help you stay ahead. Here, you're joining a community of dedicated individuals. Until the next video, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep earning.
Hello, I'm Jenny. Do you have the voice of a voiceover artist? You could be earning around $30 per hour as a contract worker. Stay tuned for more details. So you're still here, now let's introduce you to another one of our current in-house work from home jobs. This position is a work-from-home voiceover artist.
In the realm of our digital age, finding the right work-from-home job has become more than just a convenience. It's a necessity. The ability to work from the comfort of your own space, on your own time, and in your own way, has revolutionized the employment landscape. One of the most exciting and creative of these positions is that of a voiceover artist. Imagine this: a work-from-home voiceover associate, a contract worker lending their voice to breathe life into scripts and texts. We are in the market for 4 such talented individuals each month, each bringing their own unique vocal flair to our projects. The role is as thrilling as it is rewarding. You'll be the voice behind our work-at-home job descriptions, data share associates reports, and even the occasional instructional booklet. And for this, we offer a generous pay of $30 per hour. What exactly does this role entail? As a voiceover artist, your voice is your instrument. You'll need to possess excellent vocal technique. This includes proper breathing, articulate speech, control of pitch, tone, and volume. Your voice should be a chameleon, able to adapt to different emotions, characters, and styles. Your diction and pronunciation should be impeccable, and your command of the language unparalleled. But that's not all. An important part of the job is the ability to analyze text, to identify key elements, and to convey the desired tone or mood effectively. And the best part? No resume required. To give you a taste of what the job entails, here's a sample script. Hi, today I will be reporting on Afrekete work from home jobs, business opportunities, affiliate programs, and more. Remember, Afrekete is pronounced Afrekete. Submit your voice sample for approval at afrekete333@gmail.com. Stay tuned, for we will be sharing more current work from home jobs in this video. And don't forget, the link to the free ebook of all current work from home jobs will be in the description. The world of voiceover work is vast and varied, and it could be just the work from home opportunity you've been waiting for.